Hello and welcome back to my channel. A quick unboxing here today from Arrow Video, and let's see what we've got. Now, when this was announced on Arrow's Facebook page, there was quite a good response to this, so I pre-ordered it. But having said that, recently Dark Side magazine, not that one, this one, I'm pretty sure they did a review of it, and it was a less than good review. Oh dear, only 2 stars. Hopefully it's better than that. There you go. Prey. Apparently that's the original poster art. Ooh, 2 discs. Disc 1 US theatrical cut, disc 2 international cut. Right. Let's have a look at this. There we go. Try not to damage the slip. Get rid of that. So, seems to be stacked full of special features as per Arrow. Oh, and that's the paid for artwork, the new alternative art, which I really like. Who's done that then? Justin Osborne. Oh, I like that. That's good artwork. Ooh. I take it that's something to do with where it's set. King Wilderness Day Use Permit. Promo card. Horrors of the Malformed Men. I love that artwork. I think that is fantastic. That's a Teru Ishii film, and I wouldn't mind getting that one. Really love that art. Right, so we've got a booklet. Again, that artwork. Usual good bit of writing, lovely pictures, very well produced. Oh, you need some Nivea. Lovely book. That's great. That's the Blu-ray. Great. Oh, got a bit of. There you go. Oh. Hope my noggin's not in the way there. The Prey, and then we've got the international cut. Oh, and the alternative artwork is different again, so that's brilliant. You've got three sets of artwork for that. I'm hoping this is going to be a really good release. I'm just going to check it out on the telly now. Right, so reading off the back here, it says it's not human and it's got an axe. One of the most underrated efforts to hail from the slice and dice boom, The Prey at last emerges from VHS wilderness in a brand new 2K restoration from the recently unearthed original camera negative. That means it's going to look pretty damn good. limited to 3,000 units and 3 versions of the feature: original US theatrical cut, international cut, and a bonus composite fan cut. That sounds interesting, and it's just got a whole host of special features. Don't know if you can read that from there. Hopefully you can. Babes in the Woods. Wow, that's got a pretty good list of special features there. So it's got English mono for the audio track. It's also got an audio commentary with Ewan Cant and Amanda Reyes, and Texas Frightmare Weekend audience track. That might be worth checking out. But hopefully this will be a really good slasher. Looking forward to it. And there we go, just a quick overview of The Prey, which is out on Monday, by the way, so if you pop into your HMV or Sainsbury's or wherever, you may be able to pick up Arrow's latest release. Thank you for watching.